Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. Today in this video we are going to see how to create Salesmate contact from Google Ads lead. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Google Ads, then automatically a contact should be created here in my Salesmate CRM. And for that I'm simply going to create a connection between Google Ads and Salesmate with the help of Pably Connect. Pably Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Google Ads and my action application is Salesmate. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create a contact in Salesmate through Google Leads. So I have created a lead entry form in Google Ads account and I am running an ad campaign. And now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, automatically the details of that lead captured should be created as a contact in my Salesmate account. And for that, I'm going to use Pably Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pably.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of the software. On my right hand side you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in, but if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached the all Pably application page. Now let's click on access now for Pably Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. And if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box is appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I am going to name my folder as Google Ads to Salesmate. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here that we have successfully created a folder named as Google Ads to Salesmate. Now again on my right hand side you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this, and here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as create Salesmate contact from Google Ads lead. And as you can see over here that I have selected the folder named as Google Ads to Salesmate, and by clicking on this drop down over here you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Google Ads. Let's click on this. And now we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this, and here you will find two options, new campaign and new lead form entry. So I'm simply going to select new lead form entry, and it says triggers when a new lead is created from a lead form extension. Let's select this. And now as you can see over here that Pably Connect has provided us a webhook URL, and this webhook URL over here will act as a bridge between Google Ads account and our Pably Connect account. And given over here are the instructions to set up this webhook URL. So first point says sign in into your Google Ads account. So let me take you to my Google Ads account as I've already logged in into that. And this is my Google Ads account. Now I'm simply going to scroll it down. And after that you will find add features to your ads to get more clicks, and then click on see more on that, and then scroll it down again and you will find lead form. So I'm simply going to click on lead form, and in lead forms I'm going to add a lead form. Let's click on this. And this is the lead form which I'm going to create, and it says campaign level lead forms. Add lead forms to this campaign. Any lead forms added here can be used across campaigns. And now to create a lead form we have to enter headline, business name and the description over here. So I'm going to enter the headline as my business name is Regal Radiance. So I have given headline for this lead form as Regal Radiance lead form. After that, moving ahead, we have to enter the questions to insert in this lead form. And now to add questions, I'm going to add name, and for name I'm going to add the first name and the last name, and I'm going to add the phone number and the email address as well. After that, let's scroll it down, and after scrolling you will find lead delivery option. Click on this, and here we have to enter the webhook URL which was provided us by Pably Connect. Now I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here, and after that I'm going to paste it over here. So this is the webhook integration, and it says send lead form data directly to your CDM or CRM software in real time. Otherwise, you can download data within the last 30 days from your extension table. And now we have to enter the key. So as I have mentioned that there is no live campaign in my Google Ads account currently, so I am going to send test data. But if you are running campaigns, then whenever this workflow will run in real time, then automatically you will receive the lead details. So I'm simply going to click on send test data. And now it says test data sent. So let's go back to our Public Connect account and check whether we have received the test data or not. And as you can see over here that we have successfully received our response. This is the test email address, which is test@example.com, and this is the test phone number, this is the test last name, and this is the test first name, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be Salesmate. Let's click on this. And now we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will find various action events, but I'm simply going to select create contact, as my objective is to create a contact in my Salesmate. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Salesmate account with our Public Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, we have to enter all these details over here, which is asking us for the host name, session token, and the account URL. And given over here are the instructions to find these details. So for the host name, it says enter your Salesmate account name, for example this. So let me take you to my Salesmate account. And here you will find the host name. So copy this host name from here, and after that paste it over here. And now for the session token, it says enter your session token here, go to your Salesmate account, and then after that go to profile icon, and then my account, and then access keys, and then you will find the session token. So let's go back to the Salesmate account again. And here on the Salesmate account, go to profile icon, and then go to my account, and then here in my accounts go to access key. And then here you will find your personal API token, and in your personal API token you will find the access key, secret key, and the session key. So now it says click to copy. So I'm simply going to click on this, and it is being successfully copied. So let's go back to our Public Connect account. And now enter the session token over here, and after that we have to enter the account URL, and for the account URL it says enter your Salesmate account URL, for example this. So let's go back to our Salesmate account, and here you will find the account URL. Let's copy this account URL from here, and after that let's go back to Public Connect account and then paste that account URL here. So as you can see over here that I have entered all the details which was asked to add a new connection. After that I'm simply going to click on save. So we have successfully connected our Salesmate account with our Public Connect account. So let's move ahead. Now we have to enter first name, last name, mobile number, email address, and all the other required details. And for that, I'm going to use a method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous steps. So I'm going to enter all these details from my previous response, which was received by Google Ads. Let's click on this. So as I have received the test response, so I'm going to enter the string value for the first name. And I'm going to do the same with the last name. So I'm going to enter the string value for the last name. After that, we have also received a test mobile number, which is in the string value, which is this. And now we have to enter the email address, which is test@example.com. And now the company name, job title, phone, other phone, and other details are not required. So I'm leaving it empty over here. But if you want to enter all these details, then you can do that as per your needs. After that, let's click on save and send test request. And now we have received a response, and it says the status is success, which means we have successfully created a contact in our Salesmate account. So let's go to our Salesmate account and check whether we have created a contact or not. So as you can see over here that we have successfully created a contact on the test data sent through Google Ads, which is first name, last name, and the email address is test@example.com. And this was the test mobile number, which means we have successfully connected our Google Ads account with our Salesmate account. Now let's go back to our Public Connect account. So as we have successfully set up our trigger and action application, and it was a successful workflow. So let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Google Ads, and my trigger event is new lead form entry, and my action application is Salesmate, and my action event is create contact. And if you also want to create a contact in your Salesmate account through Google Ad leads, then simply follow this workflow step by step. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to us at this website. And if you find this video helpful in any way, then do not forget to share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.